Hi guys, welcome to another video where I show you how I made this amazing crystal light fixture on a budget. I am starting off with these foam boards that are already marked, and I have 2 of the big size and 4 of the smaller size. I used a plate to make these curves and I'm going to cut them out. I then cut out strips of foam board which I make small cuts on to help in bending them. Taping one side really helped to make it more flexible. I then started gluing the strips around the cut boards with a glue gun. I did the same on the inner parts. For the bigger boards, I only cut the inner part of one and used this clear PVC sheet to cover it. I then used this mirror paper to cover the sides. After I was done, I got these LED strip lights, which are self-adhesive, and stick them in the inner parts, making a hole on the side for the wire. Then I used the same PVC sheet to cover the parts with the LED lights. I then cut out the extra parts. I used this adhesive to glue the crystal beads on the parts I covered with the PVC sheet. I repeat the same process on the bigger board. I used pieces of foam board to separate and add height to the two boards and added LED lights on one of the boards. Then I added another strip of LED light on the open sides. I used the PVC sheet to cover the sides where I added the lights. Then I started gluing the beads on all the parts covered with the PVC sheet. I wanted all the parts I made to have different heights, so I joined pieces of pipes on an MDF board and made holes for the wires. Then I spray painted it silver. I then positioned all of them and glued them on the pipes. I really love how it turned out. I outdid myself on this one and I thank God for it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, God bless.